Having trouble with your Schlage smart lock? Don't worry. Fixing it can be quick and simple. Whether your lock won't extend, retract, or respond, these step-by-step troubleshooting procedures can help. First, let's look at battery issues. If your lock's backlighting doesn't turn on, the batteries may be dead. Make sure they're installed correctly and fully charged. It's best to use non-rechargeable alkaline batteries for better performance. If low battery errors persist even after replacing the batteries, check these possibilities. The battery tray might be loose, or the cable through the door could be pinched. It's also possible that batteries were installed incorrectly, or old batteries were mixed with new ones. Next up is signal strength and Wi-Fi connections. For smart locks like the Encode Plus, a weak Wi-Fi signal can cause issues. Stand near your lock and check the Wi-Fi strength on your phone. If the signal is weak, restart your router and clear any obstructions. Make sure your lock is connected to a 2.4 GHz network and using the correct password. Now let's talk about app and device updates. Ensure you have the latest version of the Schlage app on your phone. Check for pending updates to your device as well. Restart both your lock and smartphone if you're having trouble pairing or issuing commands. Improper installation can also lead to malfunctioning locks. Check if the lock is aligned correctly with your door and verify that the strike plate is in place. Test whether the bolt extends properly when the door is open. If your lock has a vacation mode enabled, remember that it disables all user codes for added security. Inspect your lock for visible damage or obstructions as the next step. Clear any debris from the keypad and make sure all components are connected properly. Test if the keypad buttons respond when pressed. If none of these solutions work, you may need to perform a factory reset. Follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. If the issue persists, it's time to reach out to Schlage customer support. In conclusion, if your Schlage lock is not responding, check the batteries, signal strength, app updates, installation, and examine the lock for defects. Following these steps can likely solve your problems. However, if issues continue, don't hesitate to contact customer support for help. Remember, maintaining your Schlage smart lock can prevent future issues. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave a comment and subscribe for more smart home tips. Stay secure with your smart devices.